Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Starting from today, every Sunday I'm going to provide you with 50 most repeated NEET MCQs from one of the units of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology. These MCQs will help you have a better grip over your subject and it will help you improve your speed for the upcoming NEET exam. Today in this video, I'm going to provide you with 50 most repeated NEET MCQs from Unit 1, Diversity in Living World. हम लोग का डेली बायोलॉजी MCQs in jumbled format वो तो चल ही रहा है, साथ ही साथ आज से every Sunday I'm going to provide you with these 50 MCQs. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 1. Which one of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the features stated against them? Option A. Garden lizard and crocodile, three-chambered heart. Option B. Ascaris and Ancylostoma, metameric segmentation. Option C. Seahorse and flying fish, cold-blooded. Option D. Pteropus and Ornithorhynchus viviparity. Which one of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other regarding to the feature that is stated against them? The correct answer is option C, that is seahorse and flying fish. In option A, crocodile is having a four-chambered heart, and in option B, Ornithorhynchus is an egg layer, that is it is oviparous, not viviparous. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 2. Which one of the following is heterosporous? Option A. Equisetum. Option B. Dryopteris. Option C. Salvinia. Option D. Ediantum. Heterosporous. Correct answer is option C. Salvinia is heterosporous. Question number 3. In which one of the following male and female gametophytes do not have free living independent existence? Option A. Cedrus. Option B. Pteris. Option C. Funaria. Option D. Polytrichum. Which one of the following male and female gametophyte do not have free living independent existence? The correct answer is option A. Cedrus. Question number 4. Which one of the following groups of 3 animals each is correctly matched with their one characteristic morphological feature? Cockroach, locust, tinea, metameric segmentation, liver fluke, sea anemone, sea cucumber, bilateral symmetry, centipede, prawn, sea urchin, joined appendages, scorpion, spider, cockroach, ventral solid central nervous system. All 3 animals should have the morphological feature that has been given against them. The correct answer is option D. Scorpion, spider, cockroach, all 3 has ventral solid central nervous system. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of phylum Annelid? Option A. Ventral nerve cord. Option B. Closed circulatory system. Option C. Segmentation. Option D. Pseudocoelom. The correct answer is option D, that is pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom is found in Aschelminthes. Question number 6. Select one of the following of important features distinguishing Genitum from Cycas and Pinus and showing affinities with angiosperms. Option A. Embryo development and apical meristem. Option B. Absence of resin ducts and leaf venation. Option C. Presence of vessel elements and absence of archegonia. Option D. Perianth and 2 integuments. Distinguishing feature between Genitum from Cycas and Pinus and showing affinity of Genitum with angiosperms. Correct answer is option C, the presence of vessel elements and absence of archegonia. Question number 7. Ascaris is characterized by option A. Presence of true coelom and metamerism. Option B. Presence of true coelom but absence of metamerism. Option C. Presence of neither true coelom nor metamerism. Option D. Presence of true coelom but absence of metamerism. The correct answer is option C, that is it neither has true coelom nor it has metameric segmentation. Which one of the following in birds indicates their reptilian ancestry? Option A. Eggs with calcareous shell. Option B. scales on their hind limbs, option C, four-chambered heart, option D, two special chambers, crop and gizzard in the digestive tract. Which one of the following features in bird indicates their reptilian ancestry? Correct answer is option A, eggs with calcareous shell. Question number 9. Which one of the following kinds of animals are triploblastic? Option A, flatworms. Option B, sponges. Option C, ctenophores. Option D, corals. Triploblastic animals. The correct answer is option A, flatworms are triploblastic. Question number 10. Property of bioluminescence is seen in option A, pleurobrachia, option B, Aurelia, option C, Cycon, or option D, Physalia. Property of bioluminescence. Correct answer is option A, pleurobrachia. Question number 11. Notochord originates from option A, mesoderm, option B, ectoderm, option C, endoderm, option D, none of these. Notochord originates from. Correct answer is option A, that is it originates from mesoderm. Question number 12. Which one of the following phyla is correctly matched with its two general characteristics? Option A, mollusca, normally oviparous, development through trochophore or veliger larva. Option B, arthropoda, body divided into head, thorax, abdomen, and respiration through trachea. Option C, chordate, notochord at some stage and separate anal and urinary opening to the outside. Option D, echinodermata, pentamerous, radial symmetry, and mostly internal fertilization. Which one of the following phyla is correctly matched with two of its general characteristics? The correct answer is option A, that is mollusca. Question number 13. Which one of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathways? Option A, shark. Option B, frog. Option C, lizard. Option D, whale. Separate circulatory pathways. Correct answer is option D, whale. Question number 14. Which one is wrong statement? Option A, brown algae has chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin. Option B, Archegonia is found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta and gymnosperms. Option C, Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. Option D, haploid endosperm is typical feature of gymnosperms. Which one is wrong statement? Correct answer is option C is wrong. That is Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. That's a wrong statement. Question number 15. The scientific name of gharial is option A, Naja bungaris, option B, Gyalis gangeticus, option C, Hemidactylus flaviviridis, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Gyalis gangeticus is the scientific name of gharial. Question number 16. Which of the following given options is correct regarding these statements? Statement 1. Cephalochordates bears notochord all along the body throughout life. Statement 2. Urochordates bear vertebral column only in the tail region throughout life. Option A. Statement 1 is wrong. Statement 2 is correct. Option B. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is wrong. Option C. Both 1 and 2 are wrong. Option D. Both are correct. The correct answer is option B. That is statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is wrong. In urochordates, notochord is present only in the tail, that too in the larval stage only. Question number 17. In which of the following hemocyanin pigment is found? Option A, lower invertebrates. Option B, echinodermata. Option C, insecta, or option D, annelida. Which of the following hemocyanin pigment is found? Correct answer is option A, that is lower invertebrates. Question number 18. Which of the following is not an example of chondrichthyes? Option A, Scoliodon. Option B, Prestia. Option C, Delphinus, or option D, Charcharodon. Which of the following is not an example of chondrichthyes? The correct answer is option C, Delphinus. Delphinus is the scientific name of dolphin, and dolphin is a mammal. Question number 19. Chondrichthyes is characterized by option A, cycloid scale, option B, placoid scale with ventral mouth, option C, terminal mouth, or option D, tenoid scale with ventral mouth. Chondrichthyes is characterized by. The correct answer is option B, placoid scale and a ventral mouth. Question number 20. Which one of the following statements about certain given animal is correct? Option A, roundworms are pseudocoelomate. Option B, mollusks are acoelomate. Option C, insects are pseudocoelomate. Or option D, platyhelminthes or flatworms are coelomates. Which one of the following statements is correct? Correct answer is option A, Aschelminthes are pseudocoelomates. Mollusks and insects are true coelomates, and flatworms or platyhelminthes is acoelomate. That is, there is no coelom. Question number 21. Ichthyology is study of option A, aves, option B, amphibians, option C, reptiles, or option D, fishes. Correct answer is option D. Study of fishes is known as ichthyology. Question number 22. An example of endomycorrhizae is option A, glomus, option B, agaricus, option C, rhizobium, option D, nostoc. Endomycorrhizae. Correct answer is option A, glomus. Question number 22. Black stem rust of wheat is caused by. Black stem rust of wheat is caused by option A, Ustilogo nuda, option B, Puccinia graminis, option C, Xanthomonas oryzae, option D, Alternaria solani. Black stem rust of wheat is caused by. Correct answer is option B, Puccinia graminis. Question number 24. T.O. Diner discovered a option A, free infectious DNA, option B, infectious protein, option C, bacteriophage, or option D, free infectious RNA. T.O. Diner discovered a. The correct answer is option D, free infectious RNA, which is called as viroids, and which causes which disease? Right, potato spindle tuber disease. Question number 25. If a free-living earthworm is pricked with a needle on its outer surface without damaging its gut, the fluid that comes out is option A, coelomic fluid, option B, hemolymph, option C, slimy mucus, option D, excretory fluid. Earthworm is pricked with a needle on its outside surface without damaging its gut. Correct answer is option A, coelomic fluid comes out. Question number 26. Peripatus is a connecting link between option A, Mollusca and Echinodermata, option B, Annelida and Arthropoda, option C, Coelentrates and Porifera, or option D, Ctenophora and Platyhelminthes. Peripatus is a connecting link between. Correct answer is option B, that is Annelida and Arthropoda. Question number 27. Which one of the following is monoecious? Option A, Cycas, option B, Pinus, option C, date palm, option D, Marchantia. Which of the following is monoecious? Correct answer is option B, Pinus. Question number 28. Algae have cell wall made up of option A, cellulose, galactin, mannan, option B, hemicellulose, pectin, proteins, option C, pectin, cellulose and proteins, or option D, cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin. Algal cell wall is made up of. Correct answer is option A, that is cellulose, galectin, and mannins. Question number 29. Some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic pH belong to two groups. Option A, Eubacteria archaea. Option B, Cyanobacteria diatoms. Option C, protists and mosses. Or option D, liver rots and yeasts. Correct answer is option A, Eubacteria and archaea. Question number 30. Which one of the following is the wrong pairing of disease and its causal organism? Black rust of wheat, Puccinia graminis; loose smut of wheat, Ustrelego nuda; root knots of vegetable, Meliodignae species; late blight of potato, Alternaria solani. Which is wrong pairing of disease and its causal organism? Correct answer is option D. Late blight of potato is not caused by Alternaria solani. Question number 31. In which of the following gametophyte is not independent free living? Option A, Merchantia. Option B, Pteris. Option C, Pinus. Or option D, Funaria. Not independent free living gametophyte. Correct answer is option C, that is Pinus. Question number 32. Male gametes are flagellated in option A, Anabana. Option B, Ectocarpus. Option C, Spirogyra. Option D, Polysiphonia. Male gametes are flagellated in. Correct answer is option B, Ectocarpus. Question number 33. Crocodile and penguin are similar to whale and dogfish in which one of the following features? Option A, lay eggs and guard them till they hatch. Option B, possess bony skeleton. Option C, have gill slits at some stage. Option D, possess a solid single-stranded central nervous system. Correct answer is option C, they all have gill slits at some of this stage. Question number 34. Select the correct combination of statements A to D regarding the characteristics of certain organisms. Statement A. Methanogens are archaebacteria and they produce methane in marshy areas. Statement B. Nostoc is a filamentous blue-green algae which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Statement C. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria synthesize cellulose from glucose. Statement D. Mycoplasma lack a cell wall and can survive without the oxygen. The correct statements are option 1, A, B and C are correct. Option 2, B, C, D are correct. Option 3, A, B and D are correct. Or option 4, B and C are correct. The correct answer is option 3, A, B and D statements are correct. Question number 35. In which one of the following organisms its excretory organ has been correctly stated? Option A, earthworm, pharyngeal, integumentary and septal nephridia. Option B, cockroach, Malpighian tubules and entire ceca. Option C, frog, kidney, skin and buccal epithelium. Option D, humans, kidney, sebaceous gland. Correct excretory organ. Correct answer is option A, earthworm, pharyngeal, integumentary and septal nephridia. Question number 36. Which one of the following groups of animals is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic? Option A, Aschelhelminthes. Option B, Ctenophora. Option C, sponges. Option D, coelentrates. Bilateral symmetrical and triploblastic. Correct answer is option A, Aschelhelminthes. Question number 37. Man belongs to family. Option A, Muscidae. Option B, Anacardiae. Option C, Poaceae. Option D, Hominida. Man belongs to family. Correct answer is option D, Hominida. Question number 38. True nucleus is absent in option A, Mucor, option B, Bucheria, option C, Volvox, option D, Anabana. True nucleus is absent in. Correct answer is option D, Anabana. Question number 39. The most primitive vertebrates are most primitive vertebrates. Option A, ostracoderms. Option B, cephalochordates. Option C, placoderms. Or option D, cyclostomes. Most primitive vertebrates are. Correct answer is option A, ostracoderms. Question number 40. Branch of zoology dealing with study of fishes is called. Option A, arthrology. Option B, ichthyology. Option C, zoology. Or option D, herpetology. Branch of zoology dealing with study of fishes is called as. Correct answer is option B, ichthyology. Question number 41. Read the following 5 statements A to E and select the option with correct statements. Statement A. Mosses and lichens are first organisms to colonize a bare rock. Statement B. Selaginella is a homosporous pteridophyte. Statement C. Coralloid roots in cycas have VAM. Statement D. Main plant body in bryophytes is gametophytic, whereas in pteridophytes it is sporophytic. Statement E. In gymnosperms, male and female gametophytes are present within sporangia located in sporophyte. Option 1. B, C and D are correct. Option 2. A, D and E are correct. Option 3. B, C and E are correct. Or option 4. A, C and D are correct. Correct answer is option 2, that is statement A, D and E are correct. Question number 42. Which one of following statements about all the 4 of Spongilla, leech, dolphin and penguin is correct? Option A. Penguin is homeothermic while the remaining 3 are poikilothermic. Option B. Leech is freshwater form while all others are marine. Option C. Spongilla has special collared cells called choanocytes not found in remaining 3. Option D. All are bilaterally symmetrical. Correct statement about all 4 of the animals. Correct answer is option C. Spongilla has special collared cells called choanocytes not found in leech, dolphin and penguin. Question number 43. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Option A. Salvinia prothallis. Option B. Viroids RNA. Option C. Mustard synergids. Option D. Ginkgo archigonia. Wrongly matched pair. Correct answer is option A. Salvinia prothallis. Question number 44. Which of the following endoparasites of humans does show viviparity? Option A. Enterobius vermicularis. Option B. Trichinella spiralis. Option C. Ascaris lumbricoid. Or option D. Ancylostoma duodenale. Endoparasite of humans showing viviparity. Correct answer is option B. Trichinella spiralis shows viviparity. Question number 45. How many organisms in the list given below are autotrophs? You can see the list on the screen. Options are 5, 6, 3 or 4. The correct answer is option B, that is 6 of the organisms are autotrophs. Nostoc, Chera, Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, Porphyra and Wolffia. All these 6 organisms are autotrophs. Lactobacillus, Streptomyces, Saccharomyces, Trypanosoma, these are not autotrophs. Question number 46. Which of the following characteristic is mainly responsible for diversification of insects on land? Option A. Bilateral symmetry. Option B. Exoskeleton. Option C. Eyes. Option D. segmentation. Characteristic of insects responsible for its diversification on land. Correct answer is option B, presence of exoskeleton. Question number 47. Which of the following cells in earthworm plays a role similar to that of liver in vertebrates? Option A, amoebocytes. Option B, mucocytes. Option C, chloragogen cells. Or option D, epidermal cells. Function same as liver in vertebrates. Correct answer is option C, chloragogen cells. Question number 48. Which of the following animals is not viviparous? Option A, elephant. Option B, platypus. Option C, whale. Or option D, flying fox, bat. Which of the following animal is not viviparous? Correct answer is option B, platypus. Question number 49. Which one of the following has haplontic life cycle? Option A, Polytrichum. Option B, Usteligo. Option C, wheat. Option D, Funaria. Haplontic life cycle. The correct answer is option B, Usteligo. Question number 50. Which one of the following is considered important in development of seed habit? Option A, heterospory. Option B, haplontic life cycle. Option C, free living gametophyte. Option D, dependent sporophyte. Which one of the following is considered important in development of seed habit? Correct answer is option A, heterospory.
So those are the 50 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with our daily 15 MCQ sets in jumbled format. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you are new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.